Hello engineers, there's a recruitment update from Bureau of Indian Standards. You can see it is under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food, Public and Distribution. They have released vacancies for different disciplines of engineering. For chemistry, they have released 2 vacancies. For civil, 8 vacancies are released. For computer engineering, 4 vacancies are released. For electrical engineering, 2 vacancies are released. For electronics and telecommunication engineering, 2 vacancies are released. For environmental engineering, 2 vacancies are released. This is a direct recruitment through GATE 25, 24 and 23 score. The students who are shortlisted based on these 3 GATE score will be called for the personal interview. The final selection will be the aggregate of GATE score and the marks scored in the personal interview. 85% of the weightage will be given to the GATE score and 15% weightage will be given to the personal interview. The upper age limit for applying for this post is 30 years and based on other criteria, the age is relaxed by some more years. The essential qualification required is if you are applying in all these engineering posts, first of all, you should have a BTech degree in the relevant specialization. If you are applying for the post of chemistry, then master's degree in natural sciences or equivalent is required in the chemistry discipline. Apart from that, you should have a valid GATE score of the year 23, 24 and 25. The upper age limit as of 23rd of May 2025 is 30 years for general category candidates, and for other categories here is the age relaxation criteria is given. Like that you can see for SC/ST category, the upper age limit is relaxed by 5 years. Like that for ex-servicemen, you can see here up to a maximum of 3 years of age relaxation is provided. So you can just go through this detailed notification which is present in the official website of Bureau of Indian Standards. The selection procedure is mentioned here. The shortlisting is based on GATE 23, GATE 24 and GATE 25 score, and these candidates will be called for the personal interview. Right, let's check on further. So you have to apply online. There is no offline mode of application. You have to visit this official website and you have to apply online before 23rd of May 2025, which is the last date for applying online, right? All these instructions are mentioned here. Whatever documents which are required are also mentioned in this notification. So kindly go through this detailed notification, and if you have liked this information, don't forget it to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.